Mfana Tupa, a South African music producer, songwriter, and entertainer, famously known for Umsebenzi Wethu, Ngixolele, and Mapula, sparked controversy when he donated food to his community. This selfless act divided the internet, some praising him for feeding more than 30 families, as they should, saying things like, "Well done, Busta. We want people like you here in Mzansi. Don't be a madla wedwa. May God bless you abundantly, Baba 929." This positive reinforcement will soon play, as on the other side of the internet, people questioned Busta 929's character, morality, and integrity. You see, Busta has a reputation for dating young teenage girls, and some claimed he was using this opportunity as a facade to clean his reputation. As if this was not controversial enough, as if it couldn't get any more complicated. Guess what? It did. Some people saw fit to defend sexual exploitation, saying it is preference. Tell you what, if life was based on preference, 14-year-old alcoholics would be a thing. Eddie went as far as to say, "You can't really say much. They were happy. No damage was caused, which is okay." Sydney commented, as long as he never forced himself on her. Do these people not know about the age of consent? Or do they perhaps think consent is the only factor to consider in a romantic relationship? Then again, my name is Sichabakita, and I am opinionated. This matter. Mfana Tupa, a South African music producer, songwriter, and entertainer, famously known for Umsebenzi Wethu, Ngixolele, and Mapula, sparked controversy when he donated food to his